Well, good blazing hot Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having sure enough good Tuesday. But Lord, here in East Central Mississippi, it's probably in the 100-degree mark right now. It's warm, y'all. What I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is it's going to be a really short video. Have quite a few things that I need to get accomplished today. Got to be really careful with this heat. But give me a second and I'm going to show you those few things. Okay, first things first. All right, that was the first thing. Stink bugs. Well, they look like stink bugs to me. They kind of look like stink bugs, but anyways. I guess it's a question as well. If any you and y'all have any working knowledge of these stink bugs, if you have them in your garden, my question is, do they harm anything like tomatoes or whatnot? I don't know. I've read a few things and I get varying opinions on whether or not they destructive or not. I don't know. So if anybody has had stink bugs in their garden, please chime in, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. So let's move on. Here's the next thing that I wanted to show you. Look at there. Dragon egg cucumbers. And I have a bunch of them. What I'm going to say is yesterday I actually harvested one of these dragon egg cucumbers. It was rather large, not all that big, but it was a good size. And I'm here to tell you, it was probably one of the tastiest cucumbers I've eaten in a while. Rob the Sapper Gardener, brother, good call on sending me those seeds, because them jokers are wonderful. If you haven't tried a dragon egg cucumber, you need to give it a whirl. It's a white cucumber. Doesn't have that many seeds, and it's really tasty. And lastly, that is the jackfruit plant. The seed germinated, and it is probably 7 inches tall now, and it's got some new growth on it. It's got a pretty leaf on it. The jackfruit germinated, and it is growing. Now, I don't know how long it's gonna grow for. I'm gonna try to keep it going. But all the research that I have done and the reading that I have done on the jackfruit, it's got a long tap root and the root system doesn't like to be messed with. So if anybody has any experience with jackfruit, comment below, give me your thoughts. What I'm trying not to do is mess with the root system on that jackfruit, but if I'm going to transplant it, I probably have. So if anybody has any working knowledge on the jackfruit, please let me know what you think. All right, y'all, a few things that I wanted to share with you. The stink bugs, Lord of mercy. If it ain't one thing, it's another. The dragon egg cucumbers, quite tasty. And I've had a bunch of folks ask me about the jackfruit and how it was doing. So I was like, you know what? Let me show you and y'all what it's looking like, and I think it's growing good. So again, I hope everybody is having a safe Tuesday, and if it's hot where you at, I hope you're staying cool, stay hydrated, be safe. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.